In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete all columns that meet a certain criteria in Excel. I have a data set over here consisting of a number of weeks, and on my columns, I have multiple columns which depict a series of numbers for a series of individuals. What I want to do here is I want to delete all columns which have a particular name in the header. In this case, I want to delete all columns where the value in the first row, that is the header row, is equal to Bill. Now, the most obvious way to get this done is go and select each column or all columns together and then delete them manually. However, that process could be time consuming, especially if you have many columns in your data set, as you have to go through all the columns and check for the particular name that you have in mind. So that might not be desirable if you have a very large spreadsheet. How to automate this process? So the process is very simple. First, you have to click on the first cell in the first row. You can do that by doing a Control Home on your keyboard. Then click on Shift Space on the keyboard. The next step is doing a Control F. So I'm going to do a Control F. This page pops up, and in this section, I will enter my criteria. What I'm looking for is the word Bill. So I'll type Bill, and then I will click on Find All. This section appears, and in this section, you have to do a Shift and page down on your keyboard. And by doing so, all the entries that meet this criteria are going to be selected. And as soon as we do that, we can X out of this section. Now, the next step from here is to right click and click on Delete. And now we have to select entire column. And the last step is clicking on OK. There we go, we're all done. So all columns which contained the word Bill in row 1, the header row, have been deleted successfully. And this was done completely automatically, and we didn't need to go into the header and look for the word Bill and then delete those columns manually. And this is a very neat and very unique trick. It helps save a lot of time, especially when we're working with very large workbooks that have many columns. You can easily delete all columns which meet your criteria using these very few, very simple steps. And that's how it's done. Now, if you want to also learn how to automatically delete rows based on criteria, I've also created another video on that, and the link for that is available in the description box. I hope you found this video useful and got some value out of it. If yes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed already, make sure to subscribe and also turn on notifications so you won't miss out on future videos. See you soon.